Triple bedroom flat, new Nallakunta, brand new flat, 1500 SFT, 5th floor, west facing. Northwest bedroom with attached bathroom. Northeast bedroom with attached bathroom. Puja room, east side wash area, kitchen, common bathroom, master bedroom with attached bathroom.